Okay, where are we, sunshine? So, we're still in Doncaster Frenchgate Centre, but our usual lift has got a barrier next to it. This one seems to be out of service too. And not only that, the magic stairs aren't even working. We're going to have to walk down the stairs. What on earth? Goodness me. Okay. Right, we'll pause it and we'll see you in a minute. So, okay, so we've got to the bottom of the magic stairs that weren't working. And we've got to the other one, look. And it's out of service. That says OS. Out of service. With a little circle with a line through it. Like a no entry sign. Goodness me. Right, so we'll pause it. What? That's open. Right, brilliant. We'll go through there then. Okay, we're going to go into the train stations. We'll pause it and see you in a minute. Okay, where are we, sunshine? So you can see the sign for the lift. We're in Doncaster train station. Just about to call the lift that's on the subway. And then what we'll do is watch the display as it changes to Concourse. There you go. The lift has arrived. There's some... Okay, I won't push the button. Someone come in, look.
Let's go.
Right, then in we go, sunshine.
Doors closing.
Where you got? It says car preference on and off. I have no idea. We'll have to Google it. Find out. Cotswolds Lifts Limited. 1,200 kilograms, 16 persons. And going down to the subway level, there's also people at the bottom waiting, so I have to be careful when I'm filming.
Lift going up.
Pause it?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll pause it, we'll see you in a minute. Okay, where are we, sunshine? So we're at the next lift at Doncaster train station. So on is, it's in platform 0 to 3.
Doors closing.
Lift to platform 0 and 3. Yeah, of course you can press it. Well done, Wedger Rooney.
Lift going up.
The lift going up.
Doors closing.
Same Cotswolds lifts, 1,200 kilograms, 16 persons, as you were explaining. It's got alarms, it's got 2 alarms. It's got one there, it's got one right near the floor, probably in case someone falls down, has maybe like a heart attack or something, is very poorly.
Doors opening. Lift
Okay.
going down.
Right, let's go through. Okay, and we'll pause it there and we'll see you in a minute when we get to platform 0. Okay, where are we, sunshine? So, we're still at Doncaster train station. We're now getting the lift to platform 0. It is a special public platform lift. Well, it is according to Xander anyway. Doors. Oh.
No, wait, need to see the open.
Okay.
Open it away, you see the open.
Right, yeah, no worries.
Need to open or not?
See the train? Alright, okay, we're taking a video of the train leaving the platform, leaving the station. No, that's the lift going up, it's just sent it away. And then this is the Trans-Pennine Express train that Maggie got when she went to Manchester, I think, to visit her Auntie Eileen, Auntie Ira, is what it is. Where's it going? Well, whatever time it says it's going to go. Might be a while. Are you waiting for the train before you push it? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, just wait for the train.
Okay. You see you've got a man there, he's just getting on the train, so we're going to close the doors. I think that's it. I think it's going to go now. The conductor's got on. You can hear the motors. Bye bye train. To Manchester, Piccadilly. Oh, it's a big train. There we go. And it's gone.
When it's soft.
Oh yeah, okay. So there is a light all the way down there. We can just see it now. It's green. There you go, red for stop.
Hey, please,
Right then, let's get back to doing the lifts, the most important thing of the day. Okay, come on, Wedgeroonie.
Doors opening.
Nicely
Lift
done.
going up.
Now, this has got all of the same buttons, but it's now a Stannah lift. So I believe that Stannah and Cotswolds are part of the same company. Again, 2 alarms, 1 alarm at the bottom and 1 in the middle. Just maybe in case you have a really bad accident, you're on the floor and you can't reach the other alarm. Let's watch the display change. It changed from platform to footbridge. We can see that we're definitely going up. You've got your caution finger trap. And here we are to the footbridge.
Yeah, wait on the entrance. I thought we owned that after the entrance. Wait on the entrance now. Let's get
I'm pressing the button.
Yeah, he also.
Right, okay, well let's, doors closed. Daddy press the button.
Doors opening.
Well done, Daddy.
And
Yes.
then it's away.
Okay then, send that one away.
What's that say?
Well, it's saying footbridge because that's where it is at the minute, isn't it? Footbridge.
Why did it
But then it's going to change
No, why I not see it all
to
No,
platform.
why not see set enter? Why I didn't see set enter?
Right, well it is September, so you
Why?
are seeing it in September.
Why I didn't see it? When?
Right, we've not been for a while to do lifts, but that's because you've been a very lucky boy. And we did lifts at Meadowhall. So we didn't come to French Gate in Doncaster. And we've been on holiday, haven't we?
Let's say last time when we're not really successful, let's say. Why?
Maybe we didn't have time. Did she just take you to do a couple of lifts and you didn't have time to the train station?
No, you own say to this. You own say to this, and you listen to way station.
There are a few lifts in the train station, yeah. Well, there's 5. So we're on the other side of the footbridge doing the second special lift. We have come to lift number 2. Well, to be honest, we're on lift number 4. Because we went down from the main lift, down to the subway, and then we used the lift from the subway up to platforms 0 and 3. Oh, I'm looking at the view. Let's have a look at all these trains. Look, some people coming out of that intercity train over there. You gonna call it?
Why can I not see this?
Because he's a fit man who's going to do the stairs. He's going to get some exercise.
Look, I pressed the all button.
You have pressed the call button. Well done. Nicely done, Xander. Well, the call button is very similar to the Cotswolds elevators, isn't it? Cotswolds and Stannahs are very similar to each other. Here we go. Let's wait for this lift coming up. Oh, yes. Did Wedgie press it as well? He's a good wedgie, isn't he? Yeah, we can see the alarm, the 2 alarms, the door open button. You've got 2 buttons for the platform and the footbridge. You've got all your emergency information, telephone information. You've got your information there about going to platform 0 and that it's 1,200 kilograms or 16 persons, and you've got the display. Oh, and the speaker that tells you all the information.
Doors opening.
It's not. There's no way.
Doors closing.
What do you mean there's no trains today? We've just watched a train go away. Oh, there's no train on this platform today, no, but I think there might be one soon because that mister came along, didn't he? The red light down there though, so I don't know what that means. Obviously stop, but yeah, might be one coming. Sounds like that intercity's going. Going up. So it's going up to the footbridge, that's what it's saying.
What's it saying?
Footbridge.
Why did it say that on the train?
Because that's where the...
Why is the train moving?
The display's moving to tell you that it's on the footbridge, so it's got all the letters. Let's take a little video of that. Intercity, leaving. Not too sure what platform that one on, or 7 or 8. There we go, bye-bye Intercity. And let's come back to the lift, because it's now down on the platform. Doors opening. Platform. Oh, we're sending it away?
These are not electric things. These are electric things.
Okay, let's see the electric things. Let's have a look through the window.
What have we got here?
We've got wires going up there. Very good.
And what's that on Simpson? Say hi, elevator.
I don't think it's a hydraulic elevator. Hydraulic elevators normally have a big pole in the middle down there, and it doesn't. So I think it's an elevator with a motor and a counterbalance. Did you hear the lift machinery make a funny noise?
No, what? When I said it away.
Okay.
Right,
let's listen. Wow, danger lift machinery, I think, and we heard it from the vents down there. We had lots of noise with the motor turning on, so the motor must be in here, pulling the lift up. I'll hear it. I can hear it. Wow, I could hear that motor. Wow. Because that's what it means, lift machinery. That means that's the big motor in there, pulling it up. And
why does it put this on here?
Well, because that's showing you what button to press. Otherwise you wouldn't know which one was footbridge and which one was platform.
See the doors open.
Okay. See the doors opening then.
Footbridge.
I will press that door then. You press it.
We're going back down?
Yeah, press
Oh, okay. Going back down to the platform. Well done, Daddy.
Here's the note. Why are there no on the system?
Well, this is because the motor's not in this shaft. The motor is over there in the lift machinery building.
And it rains.
And the trains come. Are we going up? Come on then. Let these people in. Hold the door.
Come on, Auntie.
I said hold the door, let these people in.
Why is it in the whistles?
Because they've got cases, so they don't want to carry them up the stairs.
Doors closing.
How open?
16 persons. Right, there's some people down there that want to use it, they've got pushchairs, so will you send it down to them?
You send it out, Evan. You send it out.
Alright then, I'll send it down.
Send it out.
And then, let people out. Sorry. Right, okay, we'll pause it there and we'll see you in a minute. Right, sunshine, we're still in Doncaster train station. We are still doing the footbridge over to platform 0, but we're now going back to the main. Okay? Right, come on then.
Doors opening. Lift going down.
Come on then, wedgie Rubini. Oh, Xander did it. Well done.
Press it together.
Press it together. You and...
No.
Go on then.
No.
Xander and wedgie.
No, and Auntie.
Daddy, 3, 2, 1, yes! What a good pressing.
Hey, what's happening at the sleigh? It's so slow.
So it is very slow, isn't it?
I think it's slow.
Here we go, we're on the platform.
Why is it so slow?
Lift going up.
Why can't it say slow?
Because I don't know why it's slow, that's the computer. Right, come out. Other people want it now, the ones that have pushchairs, don't they? No.
Hey, see.
No, sweetheart, come out of the way. The other people on pushchairs will be coming. Let it go, please.
There. I see one. And I see white in it.
Right, well, let's do it next time. We've done a lot of video of this lift.
There.
Done lots and lots of video of this lift.
Wait.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a minute. Is it?
Right, I tell you what, then we'll pause it there and we'll see you in a minute and we'll wait for those other people to come down the lift.
No,
Okay.
Found us looking at this view.
I don't think they are looking at the view. I think they'll be coming in their pushchairs. Anyway, right, we'll see you in a minute. Right, okay, so we're now just going to look at the... Where's that now? Look, that's where the door is. Okay.
Doors closing.
And we sent it away.
Seen on that one. I know.
There must be a lift machinery somewhere. Here we are. See, look.
See the motor on the left now.
Hear the motor.
Here. Oh, what is it?
Yeah,
Oh,
look.
sorry.
Okay.
See the motor on the left now.
All right, go on then. Are you going to go around and send it away or something? I'll call it.
I wait here.
I'll not go. So you go around there then. We just found the other room that houses the lift machinery, the motor. And Zanna's gonna... So Zanna's gonna send the lift away. I'm gonna listen to see if we can hear the lift machinery. And there we go. I heard it clunk and then I heard the motor. Wow.
Hey, what's it out?
Have you called it?
No, Brown has to open it. I'm not on it.
Alright, we can hear it now, can't we?
No,
Hear it? Wow. Brilliant. Right, come on then. Right, so what we'll do is we'll pause it there.
Yeah.
And then we'll start filming again when we go back down to the subway.